Meet MINARA, your AI-powered trading partner. Automated, adaptive, and always working in real time.
I have 100K USD. What's the best strategy to maximize returns? MINARA analyzes current market conditions and identifies where the strongest opportunities are emerging across chains, protocols, and yield strategies. It then builds a structured allocation, balancing capital preservation, yield generation, and higher growth positions. Each layer is designed with a clear purpose, combining stability, performance, and upside potential. Are there any risks in participating in the Marinade project? What is the expected rate of return? Then, the analysis goes deeper. Focusing on specific protocols like Marinade, MINARA breaks down expected returns, performance behavior, and the key risks to monitor over time. So, you don't just see the opportunity, you understand how to manage it. From allocation, to risk, to execution.
MINARA. Profits don't wait. Neither should you.